Another good trade on the 5 minute time frame for all the day traders out there. Watch the video until the end because I'm going to show you the winners and the losers of the day. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm back with another Forex Trendy episode. Today I'm going to show you what happened on the Forex market on the day trading side. We are on the 5 minute time frame. Before starting, subscribe not to miss the next videos. If we get to the 1000 subscribers, that will be a very good gift for my viewers. Leave a like, leave a comment, let me know if you're using Forex Trendy, how you use it, and so on. So the first trade of the day is the US dollar and the Japanese yen. We have a flag buy signal break at 1346. So the uptrend was pretty strong, first bullish impulse, retracement, second bullish impulse, retracement here close to the 42 level, and then the breakout. Then we got a retest again on previous high here around 1345 and then going up to the 1372. So a nice trade for the trading targets around 20 pips. That's the spread. Okay, let's jump to the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. A very nice trade. This is a textbook trade. We got the first bullish impulse, then the falling wedge here, the breakout, classic retest on the trend line, and then the price going up, reaching the 89.83, starting from 88.98. So a huge one. Okay, for traders that usually set the trailing stop is a very good trade. Okay, I use the trailing stop in some market scenarios where I see that the trend is pretty strong. I check, of course, the higher time frame to see if there is possibilities for a continuation. Okay. Let's jump to oil. We have a triangle buy signal break at 69.82. Same story. We got a very nice bullish impulse. Then the market breathing a little bit. Retest. Here the price back inside the pattern, but no below this previous lows here, and then going up to 72, 37, 29, no 30. Okay, so another good trade. Okay, of course you will find winners, but you will find losers too, so don't think that you're gonna win all the trades. Use stop loss and you will be fine. Of course you must have strategies. Euro Australian dollar, rising wedge sell signal. We got a huge sell off, breakout at 5991. So no retest. The downward movement was solid. We got a very strong downtrend. Again, another situation for trailing stop here. Okay, the price now is at 5809. Wow, this is huge. This is a huge trade. I usually have 20 pips targets, 30 pips target maximum. It depends on the pair, but this one is huge. So if you are one of those traders that does a multi-time frame analysis and has a very good strategy for trend following, okay, because you see that there are not solid supports or resistances, okay, and then you set the trending stop, you will be fine when you find a very good downtrending or uptrending pair. Euro and New Zealand dollars, same story. We got this breakout here over the previous highs, retesting again the previous high with this I see the shooting star, and then the breakout, no retest, downward movement, downward trend. Again, going down to 65.86 from 67.22. So another very good trade. Okay, you see, you can get many possibilities on on the forex market using Forex Trendy. Of course, not all the days are gonna be this green. Okay, you're gonna find losers. Remember, okay, I don't want to be incorrect. Okay, I always want to be correct with my viewers. USD and Swissy. Okay, I think that this trade many traders got stopped out. Okay, because after the breakout here, the price dropped down below at 92.30. The breakout was at 92.45. Okay, at least for day traders. 15 pips stop loss. I don't know if there are day traders that have 15 pips stop loss. I have done 11 pips stop loss maximum. So, and the price action was promising, even though the candle size is big. So I expect high volatility on this pair in this case. Okay, look at the chart. So for me, this was a loser. Even though the price then retested this level of 92.30 and went up at 92.72, I usually don't use martingale or white stop losses for. So for me, it's a loser. Let's jump to silver. Yes, it looks acceptable, but not good at all for me. Okay, price action looks choppy. Okay, we don't have a very clear upward movement. You can compare it with the previous charts. Breakout very strong, going up to 22.45. Signal here at 22.32. So 13 pips, not enough, and then went back down its side. So many traders here got stopped out. Another loser. Let's see the British pound and the Canadian dollar. British pound is having so much trouble in this period. So a nice downward movement. The breakout. You see, the size of the candles are is small, so it's very promising. When the markets moves and behave this way, you're gonna have satisfaction. Okay. So breakout at 69.15, going down to 67.31. So another huge trade for trade day for trailing stop traders. Okay. USD Japan yen. This is a fresh one, but as you can see, the price is retracing inside the pattern. We will see what will happen. Today I'm not trading the USD Japanese yen, but I will see what will happen on this pair. I made a video on the USD Japanese yen analysis. You can find it on my channel. There was a big flag on the daily time frame with the 116 target. Now it's back because of Omicron variant. The price is retracing. It's just at the base of the flag on the daily chart. Okay. So for today is everything. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. See you soon. Bye bye.